Hey everybody, William here, and today we're doing a bit of trout fishing on the river. It's what time in the morning? It is 8:15 in the morning. It's tide is dropping out. I'm just going to show you now. I've turned the camera around for you. Just turn the camera around. As you can see now, there's a lot of tide in it. My mate's just gone out there in the boat to retrieve the little small boat to retrieve our boat. So we're going to go about 7-8 miles out the river. Well, I know, about 15-20 minutes motor out near the mouth, way out there, and we're going to go do a bit of trout fishing. I'll talk to you when I get on the boat and we're on the way down. See you then. Out the boat now, guys. We're well out. We've passed about 10-12 seals there at the minute. They're fishing away, but haven't started fishing yet because we're not at the spot. There's still about a couple of seagulls out there diving. That's good for sand eel and stuff, and white bait. Put the trout feed on. So yeah, get back to you when we get a fish. Hope. Nice sea trout. See you then. Now my mate's in a fish here. Sea trout. Nice one. I get the net. And Daniel. Nice little sea trout. What to say, Daniel? What are you? You're only deadly. Simply the veg. I'll put my hand out for you and grab them. Yeah. Ah, nice little sea trout. What's he, Daniel? About what? Pound? It's well down him anyway. Go on. This is one thing you don't do fishing with. Oh yeah, lovely sea trout. It's a lovely size sea trout. Well done. Now we're halfway through the day. We already put out one trout so far. So we're going to go find somewhere sheltered to have something to eat. And look at all these seals. And about another 10 or 12 of them just went into the water while we were pulling up because they're afraid, nervous. Look closer, Daniel, can you? There, big seal there behind us. Trying to get them closer for you now, have a look at them. And they're off. They're the baby seals, aren't they? Now they're moving. Yeah. Wow. That's mad. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, Jesus God. 25 anyway.
More behind.
Is there more behind me? There's more up here. It's quiet enough today anyway. One trout. Keep going, see you. Now Daniel's in another one. We're trolling now, here we are. There's a few trout starting to come into it with the tide. Oh shit. Take this out or out of your way. I'll try if I can. Any size in them, Daniel? Nice, small enough, see? Can you get them? Too bad. Beautiful little sea trout. Oh. Very lively. Beautiful little sea trout. And Daniel's in another one. I can't get a pull at all today. Any size in this one, D? Oh! He's lively anyway. You could jump in the boat quick enough, could he? About a half a pound. If. Nice to hook though. He's 0 wild, is he, Daniel? See you on the next one. Hopefully there's another one.